Hello there and welcome back to our tutorial series covering your new website powered by agentroost.com. So now we're actually going to dive into our theme options. These options are just a few items that are going to make your site look as unique as you would like it. For instance, we can put in a agent picture, we can adjust things like background colors, we can even mess around with the menus just a bit, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So first, once we're in our dashboard, head over to Appearance, then to Theme Options. And now that we're on our Theme Options page, we can get to work. So take note that the corresponding logo URL has to do with our logo placement. This, of course, could be your own logo placement for your specific realty company. Our agent URL directly corresponds to our agent picture. Our background URL can set a background for our entire site. In this case, we've chosen a different option, and we do have the power to upload a video directly into this agent area. In this case, we just have a standard static image of our agent. So we'll get going. We will just upload our logo. Now that our logo screen is up, we can get going by uploading our own logo. In this case, I have our logo that we'll be using for this tutorial ready on my desktop. We'll simply grab our logo, drag it, and drop it onto the file uploader. Our system crunches the logo, recognizes its dimensions, and goes ahead and gives it an arbitrary title. But in this case, we'd like to title it maybe something else. So we'll name it our website title. Perfect. Next, we'll select an alignment. In this case, we need no alignment since the system is going to do all the heavy lifting for us. We'll select the full size and click on Use This Image. And there we are. We have a preview of our logo. Next, we will upload our agent. So in this case, I do have an agent ready to go on my desktop. And once our uploader is ready for us, we can do the same operation. We'll upload our logo into the drag and drop. We could give it a new title or new alternative text. We can give it a description, but you should note the description will only have to do with our images within our content management system itself. So if you do upload a lot of images, then you could go back and search those images by description. But in this case, we're pretty confident that this is going to be a primary image on our website. It won't require much searching since we're not going to be changing it out all too often. So we'll select our size. In this case, the system recommends that we use the medium size thumbnail. We will again select alignment none, and we will click Use This Image. And there we have it. We have under our agent URL, our field is pre-filled for us since the system knew to pre-fill that field from our upload. We have selected that we want the slider background and that we want our image positioned to the right of our slider. Next, we'll click Save Options. And we'll go take a look at our theme. And so there we have it. We have our logo, our agent picture, and our general background along with our dynamic featured slider. Up next, we'll take a look at our theme options, but down one more menu item to Menu. We can see that we can change around the colors, but for now we'll leave these as our default. Next, we'll jump to Site Colors. You should note that you can change your site background color to anything that you'd like. Using this handy color picker, you can change our colors. So for instance, we have right now this nice blue. It could be red or any other color that you would prefer. So for now, we'll copy this and let's see, we can change our color to maybe a nice deep maroon. That works. All right, and so we'll press Save Options. Next, we'll refresh our theme. And of course, we notice that our theme is that nice red on our background. And this can be done the same way with all of our other colors. Now, your AgentRoost.com powered website provides us with a lot of other powerful features, including our own information, wherein we can place information within our site. So for instance, we have our agent's name, our address, that is available right here. So under our top left contact details, we can type in our address, and it's also important to include this BR tag. So we want to make sure that there are line breaks between our address lines exactly where we'd like them. To write a BR tag, just give a caret to the left, the letters BR, space, / and a caret to the right. And that's it. It's easy and simple, and just to place that BR tag right where we want it to separate out our content. Under our top right contact details, of course, we are giving our phone number, our fax number, and even a mail reference to our agent. So that works, and we're going to make sure our options are saved. Next, we do have social features, so if you'd like to integrate social networks with your AgentRoost.com powered website, then you can choose to integrate Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and several others right within your dashboard. We'll save our changes and continue on to the next part of our video.